Black soup, also known as Marugbo. This is a popular indigenous soup from the Yoruba state, that Ondo to be precise. Hello sweet fingers lovers, it's your favorite girl again, Chef Bossa, and on today's episode, I'll be teaching you the easiest way to make Marugbo, that's black soup. And these are all the ingredients you need to make your soup. This is our protein. I'm using boiled meat, that's cow meat. I'm using dry fish. I'm using banga fruit extract, that's palm fruit extract. I'm also using the cow skin, popularly known as pomo, then grated pepper. Then this is our spice. I'll be listing the spice in the comments section. Then blended crayfish, Uziza leaves, bitter leaf, scent leaf, and also curry leaves. Then salt to taste. And these are all the ingredients you need to make your soup. In the pot, first thing is for us to go in with our palm fruit, that's our banga extract. And after that, we're just going to add a little bit of water to it, and then we're just going to stir it until it dissolves or it mixes together with the water. After that, we're just going to cover it and allow it to bring to a boil. The moment it starts to boil, we're just going to stir it a bit, and then we're just going to add in our protein, that's our cow skin. The next step is our grated pepper, then also our blended crayfish, then our spices, seasoning cube, and a little bit of salt to taste. Then also our protein. After that, we're just going to mix together until all ingredients are properly combined together. And after that, we're just going to cover it and allow it to boil. While it's boiling, bring out your blender, and then we're just going to add our leaves, our curry leaves, our scent leaf, Uziza leaf, and bitter leaf. We're just going to add a little bit of water to our blender and then blend it until it is smooth like this. After blending it, this is how it's going to look like. So we're just going to open our soup. Look at how our soup is. It's already thick. So we're just going to mix this together. Once again, then we're just going to add our blended leaves to it. Adding your blended leaves to it, that is what is going to make your soup turn black. But nevertheless, you're still going to have a very good and great taste. This is one of the most healthy soup we have in Nigeria. So this is super healthy. So after that, we're just going to add our other protein to it, that's our dry fish. Then add a little bit of the stock and then mix together. Make sure all your protein are properly seated inside the soup, and then we're just going to allow it to boil within 3 to 5 minutes on a medium heat. You don't want to overboil your soup so it don't lose all its nutrients. Then after 3 minutes, this is what our soup looks like. So we're just going to stir it once again, and then our soup is ready. Time for us to serve. You want to guess what I paired this with? I'm so sure most of you already know the answer, so kindly drop it in the comments below and I'll do well to reply all your comment. So tell me, my sweet fingers lovers, what you think about this soup. Are you going to recreate this? Do well to do so, and don't forget to tag me when you do that. So do not forget to watch our other videos to learn how to make easy and affordable food. Do not forget to share for everyone, especially your friends and family. Do not forget to comment, subscribe, and most especially, thank you so much for watching my videos. And I'll be seeing you in the next videos. Bye.